Hi, my name is Jennifer Leve. I'm the owner of Cotton Babies and the founder of Share the Love, a national cloth diaper bank. I wanted to spend a few minutes today to tell you a little bit about why Share the Love exists and talk about a really personal situation that affected my husband and I 13 years ago. Share the Love is a national cloth diaper bank that helps hundreds of families every year with the issue of not being able to afford to purchase diapers for their baby. Families that are living with this situation are experiencing what's also called diaper need. It affects 1 in 3 families around the United States. It's not something that we hear very often about because people don't wear t-shirts that advertise the fact that they can't afford to buy diapers for their baby.
When I first reached out to Share the Love to become a host for St. Louis City, I knew as a physician working in that area that there was a very large underserved population with a huge financial need. I have seen many moms who were struggling to provide diapers for their babies. I've seen moms put dirty diapers back onto babies because they didn't have a clean disposable diaper available to them. I felt like I needed to become a part of the program to help.
I am a registered nurse, and I worked at a large emergency room in North St. Louis County for 3 years. One of the patients I specifically remember, it was a patient that probably could have used Share the Love. She brought her baby daughter in for a horrible diaper rash. She had been trying everything and anything she could possibly think of to get rid of it, and it wasn't going away. When we took the diaper off, I threw it away, not thinking anything about it. It was a disposable. The mom had asked me if we had more of that size, and so I brought her one. She was very, very thankful, but I had also noticed that she pulled the old diaper out of the trash. Her intention was so that it would dry out and she could reuse that diaper. It really struck a nerve with me. Seeing that firsthand in my community really hit home with me.
Almost 30% of moms dealing with diaper need are also diagnosed with postpartum depression or some other postpartum mood disorder.
My name is Anita Tapke. I have a 2.5-year-old named Jude and a 1-year-old named Eloise. When Jude was a few months old, we had to move out of our apartment. We were in a pretty rough spot, and we moved in with our in-laws because we couldn't afford to be living on our own at the time. The baby shower diapers had run out, and we really just couldn't afford to be buying disposable diapers every couple weeks.
We started out using disposable diapers until we started to realize that our daughter had very sensitive skin and could not use disposable diapers. When we made the switch, we were only able to afford 2 cloth diapers and a few inserts, and we weren't even able to afford disposable ones. We had just run out of our baby shower diapers.
It was all just adding up, and we were literally running out of money, and I didn't know what we were going to do.
I actually heard from a friend about the Share the Love program. We were able to start cloth diapering our son.
It was really tough for us. We found out about Share the Love through a friend. We were able to get rid of the rashes she was having, and it made things just easier on our family.
As I began to use them over the weeks, I started to notice money in places that there wasn't before, and there was more breathing room in between paying the bills.
Once I had enough diapers of my own, I was able to give the program diapers back so that another baby could use them.
After a while, we were able to buy our own cloth diapers, and we actually returned the Share the Love diapers as well as donated some back because I felt like that's the least I could do with all the help that they had given us.
It's a personal issue to me because 13 years ago, it was my family that was facing the decision between diapers and food. We were living on $30 a week for groceries and the food that the WIC check that I got every other week gave us. There were many weeks when those diapers really did mean that we could afford to buy groceries.
The best treatment for a diaper rash is frequent changing. The longer a soiled diaper stays against the baby's skin, the worse the rash is going to be. So if a family is having difficulty providing diapers to put on their child, or if they're trying to ration the number of diapers that they're using, the diaper rash is going to be more difficult to remedy, and the baby's health will suffer because of their lack of diapers available to them.
Share the Love will give these families 15 reusable cloth diaper changes that they can wash and use over and over and over again until their baby doesn't need diapers anymore.
Having no diapers is not really something any family wants to go through for their kid. You don't want that for your child.
Our kids are now both exclusively cloth diapered, and we save so much money from it. I can't believe how much money we save.
And Share the Love was a really great foundation, and it helped us a lot, and I'm very thankful for it. And I'm glad to have donated back.
So I just want to say how grateful I am for the program. You guys have helped us more than you know.
I know that we can do this for many more moms and babies, and I invite you to be part of that today. Give diapers.